Good morning, y'all. I feel like I ain't talked to y'all in so long, even though I've been posting every day. I am a day behind. I'm a day behind. One day I did not post. I think that was what, Saturday? I did not post. So at some point in time during this week, y'all will get 2 uploads to make up for the day that I missed. But anywho, let me just catch y'all up on life. I feel like I haven't talked to y'all because, to be honest with y'all, I have not vlogged in like a week. Baby, Vlogtober was taking me out. So, the footage that y'all have been seeing, that was like pre-recorded footage. So I was able to just pretty much chill and, post the footage that I had already recorded. But then the day that I missed, I thought I had footage for that day and didn't. So I didn't have anything for y'all to post. So now I'm playing catch up and I'm trying to, get stuff, for y'all to see for Vlogtober. But let me tell y'all my true dilemma. These past 2-3 days, I haven't been in my car. My car, every time I get in the car, it tells me smart key no longer within vehicle. But the key is sitting right here in my lap. And so, lies, I'm lying. It's been doing that for like maybe a week or so, maybe 2 weeks. I'm just lazy. I ain't said nothing to my husband. I ain't said nothing to nobody about it because, I ain't got time for issues, right? Oh, I can't see. Ooh. Oh, okay. So then 2 days ago, I came to my car because I was finna get ready to go, and baby, the car wouldn't start. The car wouldn't start. It said, baby, you ain't got no keys in here, but the keys is right there. So I was like, okay, maybe my battery on my key fob is dead, is going dead, which I'm hoping that that's what that is. So I haven't been able to drive my car for the past 2 days. Well, this morning I decided to try it again because I'm just tired of being in my other car. I like to sit up high. The other car sit down low. I don't like it. And so I tried it. It wouldn't work. And like right when I was finna get ready to get out the car, it cut on. So I'm like, oh, heck yeah. But let this car run while I run in the house and, grab my stuff. Then I'm gonna come out and then I'm gonna go to Walmart so I can go buy a battery for my key fob. And change it in the car, and hopefully my car crank back up. Now if I get to Walmart, cut my car off, go in there, get a battery, change it, and the car still won't crank because it's saying it doesn't recognize the key fob, I am going to be SOL because who knows if the car is going to crank again. This is so dangerous. I had to leave my car running because I'm too afraid to cut it off and then I'll really be stuck here. Thankfully, it's early in the morning. There's not really many people here. So let me run in here and get this damn battery. I need an Energizer 2032. I don't even know if I've ever seen a battery like that. Probably have. Let's go see. Good morning. Oh, I don't see any round batteries. Oh, here go 2032s right here. But do I see any? I need some that just got 2 of them. I mean, hell, if I can buy it with just one, that'd be good. But I really don't want to spend $11 for 4 batteries and I only need 1. Does that make sense? Okay, here go 2. They don't have 2032. Oh God. Oh, that's 2032. It's a bit cheaper than $11. It's 9. What's this? It's 12. Why don't I have any 2032s right here? Okay, I guess we'll go with this. All right, y'all. I got what I need. Now let's go run to my car and make sure nobody got it. Baby's still here.
Ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate Took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down and stop it. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now, baby. We can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste, I say it straight to your face, won't contemplate. You got to play that, babe. I don't wanna wait another minute for you. I know you got me falling from the ceiling for you.
All right, y'all. I am leaving work. There go my car. My baby a little dirty. Let's see if my key works. Oh, my lights are blinking. Oh. Okay, y'all. Oh, Lord, I'm tired. Moment of truth. Let's see. Ah, my car started. I'm so happy. Jesus, I'm so happy. Now I need gas. All right, y'all. So I went to, she's hugging her father. He just came in from being on the road. But I went to buy Shai some shoes today. Babe, cut that TV down. And so she's about to see what shoes she got. Are you excited? You are, girl? Let's see what you got, girlfriend.
Okay, first I'm pulling out the...
Okay, are you gonna hold it up so the vlog can see? Okay, so those are, what are those, some Vans? Let me put the light on.
Let's open it. I think you open it from... I think we need a... Oh, I got some pink.
Let me see, girl, what they look like, girlfriend.
They pink shoes. And they match my feet.
They match your feet. Those are cute, girlfriend.
Thank you.
Okay, you want to put them back in? Put them back in there, and let's look at your next pair of shoes, girl.
Wait, there's more?
There's more.
There's more. There's
Okay, Daddy'll do it. Daddy'll do it.
opening the red box.
Oh, that look like that's a big box.
Yeah, it's a big box.
What is that? Oh. Okay,
Put
she
that
threw
right
it.
there. And it's brown shoes.
Oh, those are cute, girl. You like those?
Yep, there's another one in there too.
Them are cute, girl. Oh, they got a little ribbon on the back.
Yep. And you pull out.
Okay, you don't have to take that out, Poo-Poo. Let Daddy put those up, and then you can see what else you got in your bags.
Wow.
What are those?
I don't know, but let's see. And they're blue Vans.
Those are kids. Those gonna be your play shoes, cause baby, I can get some soap and water and wipe them down real good, real easy, like. Cause baby, she is hard on shoes.
Yep.
Okay, is that everything?
Nope.
Oh, you got something else?
Whoa.
What else do you got, girlfriend?
There's a second one.
That's the fourth one.
Just open it and see what I got.
Those are some Pumas.
Some Pumas.
Ooh, those are nice.
Okay.
And the little dots on them.
Do you like those?
Yep, I'm wearing them to school.
Oh,
Nope.
are those your favorite?
Yep.
Okay. Okay, girlfriend. So you like all of them? You do? She's determined to put it in a box. Okay, girlfriend. Y'all, I told her, come on, let's try her shoes on. But she's telling me we have to wait till her daddy comes back. Her daddy went to his restroom. So she don't want me to not film her daddy. Well, she don't want me to film her trying her shoes on. She wants her daddy to be here.
Candy. Thank you, Daddy.
You welcome.
You didn't give me no candy.
Yeah, I did. Boom.
No, baby, you was finna open it and eat it. You see
I
what
was I was finna open it and feed it to you. Look, I got my own candy right here. I was gonna put it in your mouth.
Here, Mommy.
That's what he
just
said.
like ruin stuff, you know?
That's what he
Okay,
said.
Daddy, you're back. You're back, Daddy. Let's open up the first.
Okay, she's ready.
Let's try on the first.
No, don't try the boots on. You should be able to wear those. I just need you to try on some tennis shoes. Try on your tennis shoes, anyone with some socks on, so I can see. Cause baby, my baby foot is growing. Like it's growing at a rapid pace.
Wait.
She need to be a hooper. She's gonna be tall.
You think she's gonna be tall?
No.
Where's she gonna get it from?
Mommy, you scared me.
Okay. Now walk with their shoes so I can see if it's flopped. Damn.
But she ain't got no sock on.
We can put a sock on and see if you flopping. Oh, is you
Yeah, crease.
Now let me.
So what the hell size shoe were? 12 and a half?
Yeah, let's take this out.
Get on my back out. Why me and my husband beefing? Well, I'm beefing with him. He ain't really beefing with me. Because I told him, I was like, you act like a dude. You act like a dude that just got out of jail. No, that's not what I'm trying to say. I told him that he acts like a dude that's been in jail. And when he finally come home, I realized that everything he been saying was lies. Cause you know, like when dudes be in jail, they be feeding you. Hold on, can I point the camera at me? You know, like when dudes be in jail, they be saying all the right stuff and you know all that kind of stuff. Stop, Shai. Not that I know, cause I don't. Baby, I can't do the jail thing. But I'm just saying, like that's what they be doing. So I said that to say this. My husband's been on the road, right? And so he was like, oh, I can't wait to get home. I miss you, da 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 da, all this kind of stuff. So really, technically, this is my first, what y'all just saw, that was my first time me seeing my husband. And since he been off the road. So I'm like, babe, you know, come with me to go pick Shai up from school. Nah, I just want to sit at home and chill. Okay, cool, whatever. Oh, babe, come with me to go get Cameron, because my son has a football game today. So I was like, come with me to go get Cameron some food and go drop it off. Because, you know, I just want to spend time with him, but I got stuff to do. Parent-wise, you know, dealing with the kids. So I just, you know, all he got to do is ride. I get that he tired and he been in the truck all day. But I just, you know, I just want a little time with my husband. Baby, he shuts it down. Do you hear me? Shuts it down. And not to mention earlier when I was at work, I had called him and he was like, babe, I'm gonna call you back because I'm watching. I call them commentators because all they do is talk about the Cowboys and damn Dion and Colorado and all of that. But he be wanting to watch all of that mess. So I was like, boy, for somebody to say they miss their wife and for somebody to say that they can't wait to see their wife, you sure don't want to talk to me or spend no time with me. So you was just feeding me a bunch of bull these last few days over the phone when you was on the road. See, you want to talk to me when you was over the road because you're bored, because all you can do is drive. So you want to keep me held hostage on the phone for 24/7, but then when you get home, you don't want no parts of me. That's okay. That's okay. I'm pissed.
Trapping like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut dope like Pablo.
Can I get a number one? Yes, a number one, please, with no pickles.
Yes, ma'am.
And for the drink, lemonade. Make it a meal.
All in mediums or large?
Medium, please.
All right, anything else?
And then can I get a ice cream on a cone? I mean, a vanilla ice cream on a cone.
All right, anything else?
And your Greek yogurt parfait.
Is that a cookie or granola?
Granola, please. And then that'll be it. All right, y'all. So I had to order my son some food because I think I told y'all he has a football game today at 5. So I have to have his food to him by 3:30 at the school so he can eat, you know, let it digest a little bit and then get ready for his game. So we're going to a football game today.
I'm trying to make you smile. Look.
Tell my vlog why you didn't want to go with me today.
I was tired. I didn't get off the road until 3 something. And then I came in and I took a shower. I chilled with you for a little bit. And then
when?
before you went to work. and then did not go to sleep, got up and went to the grocery store and grocery shopped for the house, and then came home and put all of that shit up by myself. I just, bro, and then by the time you got there, I had just got comfortable. Remember, keep in mind, I drove all the way from Georgia to be here. I mean, from Alabama to be here. Like, bro, just go get him, go get the food yourself. I wanted to chill.
But listen,
I wanted to chill.
When I want to chill and do what I want to do, you be complaining.
Yeah,
but when I reverse it, you can never, ever, ever take it.
Huh?
Yeah, that didn't make sense.
Yeah, what?
Wait, I was going somewhere. No, this is what I was really trying to say. When I be tired and don't want to do nothing and don't want to be bothered, you be sitting over there getting mad and doing the most. So now that I reversed it and I'm doing what you do.
What do you do to be tired?
I go to work.
And now stop there. What do you do at work?
It don't matter. I clock in. I go to work.
And then do what?
And then I've been doing Vlogtober. I've been posting every day, which means
which
means I gotta record. I gotta
What do your work consist of?
Turn it down, Shai. It doesn't matter. It don't matter if I don't be doing shit at work. It's just the fact that I have to go to work and clock in.
Oh.
So I can't help that your job requires you to work real hard and mine don't.
Oh, okay.
Shai, leave me alone. So yeah, that ain't got nothing to do with you, the fact that I don't be doing nothing at work.
I ain't never came in here.
Yeah, these houses are nice. But yeah, this is just a prime example. Ooh, I look bad. Ooh, y'all, this real life right now. This is real life. We're headed to Cameron's football game. You can't go to the field. There's nothing but boys out there, Poodle.
I'm just gonna go. I'm not gonna.
Let's go, Cam! Get him! Get him!
Number 7 pass. Incomplete. Great attempt. And number 3 to get the ball.